Hey guys, do you remember this cage that I built in the previous video? Today I will show you how to upgrade this cage to become 4 times bigger. So yeah, let's do it. I built all this off camera. If you want to know how to make this, check the previous video. And now I will show you how to add all this here. Yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, as you can see, now we have the rooftop, the left side and the right side, the back side, the front side, and the door. And this is the floor. Now we have everything. Now it is time to connect all that together. So yeah, let's do it! Now the cage is done. It's time to add some wood sticks on it. So yeah, let's do it. As you can see, this stick equals the way in or the way out. so the bird can get in or out using it. And if the bird on the floor, you can use this stick to climb up. And this is the main stick. You just can stay there. And in the upstairs, you can see these two sticks connected in the opposite direction. And you can see in the middle, there is another stick, connect them together. So the bird can move from here and jump here and go there, jump here, and that's it. Now the cage is ready to use. It's time to find some birds to put it on. After 2 hours trying to insert it into the cage. كل حاجة اعملها راح اكلم. وعايز دي اهو ضربه بعض. That's it guys, I hope you liked it. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make a breeding box. I will put it in this size. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.